Okay.
Coming out! Coming out!
I'll follow you.
Quick.
It is.
Very impressed. Ryan and Novajet.
I changed it out, yeah.
Okay. RYAN, right?
Yeah, they just started following me on Instagram. They're cool people. Those guys, Nova Jets. They're cool people.
I like, look at how straight it is.
Look at me.
Whoa. Where you going?
Left and right, left and right. My gear's off. I gotta go back and reset it.
This thing just steers.
It's like a freaking bullet.
Dude, it's amazing.
Yeah, that Mirage is fast.
It's quick, and this is stockpile setup.
This thing,
I'll be up there with you next week. I'll be up there with you next week.
Where?
Flying that fast.
Oh. Yeah? You got something coming?
Yes, I do.
Something cooking?
Yes, I do.
Lopez!
Let me try to get on your wing.
Alright, I'm gonna slow down.
You don't have to. I'll cut you.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Jet's amazing. This jet's pretty amazing. Hi, Alpha.
Yeah, I can't do that. My F-16, I'll be able to do that again, but not with this.
I can actually hover this thing. Look at this. This thing can actually hover. That's crazy.
Yeah, I've seen him do it. Are you flying gyro or no?
Gyro,
There's a glider. All right, clear.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Holy moly.
It just responds. That 9-blade's a good setup. You just got to turn that timing down. Because it just draws more amps that way.
Lopez! How are you fucking...
Because you lagged. Look at that thing. It just scoots. Alright, I'm just going to get on it so you have to come catch me. Which you will do easily.
Dude, I'm here already.
Yeah, next week you won't be able to pass me next week.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Look at that! Yeah, that's a pretty badass plane. The 9-blade changed it. Because that's the Outrunner and it's flying really good.
30 seconds.
Yeah, this FMS is just a little too slow. Gotta do something about that.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Dude, this weather is perfect.
2, 1. Time expired.
That's an 80 too, right? It's a small 80. It's no wonder why it's so fast. It's the size of a 70. Alright, I'm coming in. Okay, landing!
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Thank you. Turn that off. The hell? Something's over my gear.
Landing!
Something's over my gear. I'm all the way off to the right. Do we have to do this lawnmower right now? Men in power equipment, I swear.
Flaps up.
That's good stuff, Frankie.
I love it. So you got a new 80 setup coming out?
70.